Hello everybody, my name is Jorge Nunez. This is a video for the graded activity of listening and speaking for the UTPL. So in this case, we're going to be talking about the animal intelligence. So animal intelligence, if we think about some animals are very intelligent, like the dogs, or maybe the dolphins, or maybe the monkeys that can be solving puzzles. The monkeys are the most intelligent and the most similar to the humans because they have like the fingers like we have, or maybe they have the kind of body like the humans have. So also, the other animals that can be more intelligent are the dolphins. We all know that dolphins are the most intelligent ones in the animals, in the animals, and also the elephants, which have a long-term memory. So that means that they can remember things that they can be using a lot time ago. So let's start of some questions that the teacher gave us to be answering in this activity. So should animals be kept in zoos? The zoos as an animal refuge keep some endangered species such as the condor in our country. So they preserve the health of the species and also the animals, and despite of the animals grow up in the captivity. If this is the reason why the animals are in captivity, so I prefer to keep these species in the zoos. Otherwise, if other species can be freed, like the bows, the turtles, the toads, so we can be freeing them in the Amazon region. So the next question is regarding the should people eat animals? The people can be eating animals as long as they eat animals that be growing up for be eating, such as the pig, the sheep, or the cows. So otherwise, do not forget that the COVID-19 pandemic started because the people ate wild animals such as the bat. So people should not be eating wild animals due to they have some diseases that only they can be holding on their bodies. So that's my answer for that question. Then we have another question regarding should people be allowed to hunt animals? Nowadays, hunting animals is not considered as a sport activity like years ago, when the people were hunting for funny, or at the beginning of the time, the people were hunting for survive. I think that due the human has caused some important animals extinction, such as the white rhino or the Tasmanian devil, the people should not be hunting anymore. We need to be conscious about the impact that these extinctions have caused in our environment and in our world. So the next question is regarding the should people conduct experiments on animals? Regarding if the people conduct or not experiments on animals, we need to think about the situation of to be doing these activities. To some animals should, such as the rat or the mice. The science has reached a lot of medicine for some mortal diseases thanks to these experiments. On the other hand, the people has abused the power over the animals to be subjecting them to be test subjects for the makeups, for some products, for the nails and more, which is not necessary. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we have been reaching a light of hope due to the reactions in some animals to the vaccines that can be the solution for this pandemic, including some animals that have been with this COVID-19. Now let's think about this. What if we create a department that can be regulating all these activities, experiments on animals? That could be a good idea. The next question is regarding should people pass stricter laws to protect endangered species? Definitely. I think the laws to protect endangered species need to be stricter. The humans need to start thinking about the future and the possibilities that start a new pandemic due to the killing animals or causing their extinction. Not only the endangered species need to be protected, all animals need to be protected and be treated with respect, even if they are growing up for be eaten. So in conclusion, I think that the animal intelligence is a wide space that we have to explore, because we don't know how they are communicating each other, if they are only with sounds or maybe there is another code. So I think that some animals are very very intelligent, otherwise some animals are not. Like, I think that the dog, which is our best friend in the animal environment, so I think that the dog is very intelligent. But remember that the dolphins can remember how to count, and also the horse remember how to count. But we do not have to forget about the elephant and then they long-term memory. So this is my video. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching this. Let's see you soon.